Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we have a very important update for all the aspiring engineers who have applied for the Bharat Electronics Limited, or BEL, Probationary Engineer Recruitment 2025. The wait is almost over. The BEL Probationary Engineer Admit Card 2025 is scheduled to be released on December 13th, 2025. This is your golden ticket to the exam hall, so let's dive into all the essential details you need to know. The computer-based test, or CBT, is set for December 20th, 2025, and will be held at various centers across India. This applies to candidates from electronics, computer science, electrical, and mechanical disciplines. Remember, carrying a printed copy of your admit card to the examination hall is absolutely mandatory. So, let's quickly go over the key dates. The exam city intimation slip was already sent out on December 6th via email and SMS, so you should already know which city you'll be taking the test in. The main event, the admit card release, is happening on December 13th. And the big day, the exam itself, is on December 20th. Mark these dates on your calendar. The admit card will be available for download exclusively online at the official BEL website, which is BEL India. Make sure you have your login details ready. Now, let's walk through the exact steps to download your admit card once it is released on December 13th. On the home page, look for the Careers tab. Make sure to check the advertisement number, which is 17556 for all India to 0252, to ensure you're clicking the right link. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a login page. One for the exam day and a spare, just in case. Don't panic. There's usually a forgot password link on the login page. Check your full name, date of birth, registration number, roll number, and make sure your photograph and signature are clearly visible and correct. If you find any discrepancy, any error at all, you must act immediately. First, don't ignore it. Contact the BEL recruitment authorities right away. You should send a detailed email with your full name, registration number, and a clear screenshot or description of the error. Keep a copy of this email for your records. It's vital to get this sorted out well before the exam day to avoid any last-minute stress. Second, you need a valid, original photo ID proof. This can be your Aadhaar card, voter ID, driving license, PAN card, or passport. Make sure it's the original and not a photocopy. However, you should also carry a photocopy of the same ID proof as it's often required for submission. You can also bring a transparent water bottle without any labels. Some centers might allow a plain cardboard for rough work, but check the instructions on your admit card for confirmation. Just as important is knowing what you are not allowed to bring into the exam hall. No Bluetooth devices, books, notes, or any study material. With a few days left until the exam, what should you be doing right now? First, keep checking the official website, BEL India, in for any last-minute announcements. Make sure you have your registration number and password saved somewhere safe. While you wait for the admit card, this is the perfect time to focus on your revision. Let's briefly touch upon the exam pattern. The BEL Probationary Engineer CBT will be a 2-hour exam with a total of 125 questions. The paper is divided into 2 parts. Part 1 consists of 100 questions from your specific technical subject, carrying 100 marks. So, that's a total of 125 marks. Please be aware that there is negative marking. For every wrong answer, 0.25 marks will be deducted. So, be strategic and avoid blind guessing. So, give this first stage your absolute best shot. That is all the crucial information about the BEL Probationary Engineer Admit Card 2025. To recap, the Admit Card is out on December. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on recruitments and exams. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.